Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. We have another question from the same passage, and the direction for question is answer the following question based on the information provided below. Well, we understood the text. The text tries to give us the idea about intelligence, which is a human construct, uh, and we can say that intelligence, which is nothing but a human concept, human concept and we can say that um, it is a it doesn't fit in all life forms of machine, right? We can also say that um, to truly appreciate different kinds of intelligence, we should avoid imposing uh, human standards and instead understand them on their own terms. So it's a contemplative and critical tone. It questions traditional views on intelligence and encourages a broader, more inclusive perspective. It's a purely philosophical based text, right? Let's look at the question. So the question begins with what? Which of the following captures the best understanding of intelligence expressed in the passage? Now, if you look into the question asked about what? We need to find out the choice that makes the best understanding on the topic called intelligence from the passage. Now, look at the choice. The first choice stated that intelligence is a multifaceted and subjective construct that reflects human values and perspective rather than a universal standard. Second, intelligence should be defined by specific cognitive abilities such as problem solving, learning, social cognition, though these are often debated among scholars. Three, the concept of intelligence should be liberated from human centric standards and appreciated within the unique context of different spaces and systems. Four, intelligence is an evolved trait that allows species, including humans, to succeed in their specific environment through various adaptive behaviors. Isn't it? So let's look at the each option carefully. Now, if you look at the first option, so the first option stated what? Intelligence is a multifaceted and subjective construct that reflect human values and perspective rather than a you can say universal standard, isn't it? So this actually captures the passage core idea, or you can say that main idea, right? Core idea or main idea that intelligence is not a fixed or universal measures, but it is shaped by human values and you can say that perception, human values and perceptions. The passage likens intelligence to beauty, emphasizing its subjective nature and how it reflects human viewpoints. So we can consider option one would be the true or uh, correct option, which express or identify the best understanding of intelligence expressed in the passage. Look at the option two. Option two stated intelligence should be defined. Okay. By specific cognitive abilities such as problem solving, learning, and social cognition. Through these are often debated among scholars, right? Uh, in this case, while the passage does mention about what you can say that cognitive abilities like problem solving, learning, it doesn't focus on defining intelligence strictly by these abilities. Instead, it highlights what you can say that the subjective and human shaped nature, right? Nature of intelligence. So we consider that option two is again the incorrect one. Look at the option three. The option three said the concept of intelligence should be liberated from human centric standard and appreciated within the unique context of different species and ecosystem. Isn't it? Yeah, different species and systems. Now, in this case, we can say this option suggests liberating the concept from human standards, which contrast with the passage emphasizing on how intelligence is a human-centric construct and should be viewed through human lenses, but cannot be called as a means the core idea of the passage. It opposes with the passage emphasize emphasize on how intelligence is a human-centric context. So option 3 also cannot be taken as the answer. 4 stated intelligence is an evolved trait that allows species, including humans, to succeed in their specific environment to various adaptive behaviors. This perspective focuses on adaptive behaviors, isn't it? So you can say that adaptive behaviors and success in environment, but doesn't address the passage, uh, emphasize, emphasize, what we can say that emphasize on the subjective and human-centered nature of intelligence. So we consider that option 4 is also eliminated because it doesn't give the best understanding of the intelligence. Option 1, we can find out the best one to present the best understanding of intelligence expressed in the passage. So hence we can consider option 1 would be the correct answer to this. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.